Hello, this is Ciseret Elkhead Nose tutorial. Let's make the body first. Take the grey wool and loosen it. Wrap around the foam ball tightly. Poke in the connection first. Then poke the rest parts. Take the grey wool to cover the places that aren't felt. Make sure the wool covering all over the foam ball. Press the foam ball and check if anywhere is still loose. You can keep poking until they're matted. Take the red wool and we are making the Christmas hat. Loosen the wool and fold it inward to triangle. Fold it in half again and wear the excess. Poke the connection first, and then rotating the wool while poking can shape a nice tip of the hat. Poking the side can make the loose fiber mat tightly and shape it. The skill to make the hat is keep rotating while poking. Press the tip of the hat to bend it, and then poke the places that needs to be bent. and shape it. The side also needs to be poked. Now let's make the nose arm. Split the red wool, wrap around the index and middle finger, rotating the wool while poking until it becomes a cylinder arm. When you're almost done, you can compare the size in the paper instruction. 2 options for you. Adding wool to make it larger. Second is keep poking to reduce the size. Making another arm in the same method. This part is nose hand. Split the fleshy pink wool and wrap around the index finger, curving and folding the wool to a small ball. To be on the safe side, put on the finger cords and rotating while poking until it becomes a small ball. Making another one in the same method. Vertical split the red wool and wrap around the index finger. Keep poking and shape it into a cuboid. You can compare the size in the paper instructions when you have completed this foot. Same method to make another one. Now assemble the arm and hand. Vertical prick deeply, poking all around the contact area until it matted. Poke the joint and make it tighter. Same method to make another one. Vertical penetrate the contact area and poke the joint to make it tighter. Here are 2 options to make the ball of tip. Use the hot melt to stick the ball or pocket the ball yourself. Here's the method of pocket by yourself. Split the white wool and wrap it around the index finger, curving and folding the wool into a small ball. Then pocket. Put on the finger cords, rotating while poking. Make the ball shape faster. Assemble the ball and tip is the same way to the arm and hand. Now assemble the head and the body. Poke around the contact area to make them matted tightly. Place the nose in the middle of joint. Loosen the red wool and wrap around the head as the brain. And don't cover the nose. Take out the nose bear and we start to make it. Use the red rope to tie the bear. Press the middle of the bear and tie it as tighter as you can. Tie twice and trim the excess rope with scissors. Compare the positions and tie this bear in the same way. Poke the bear on the side of nose. Assemble the arms. Place the arm on the side of beard. Focus on the joint of arm and body. Take the brain and poke it around the head. Trim the excess part. Then put the connection first. And poking the brain lightly. You can poke the bottoms on its body or use the hot melt to stick it. Poking around the felted ball to make tight. Now assemble the foot and body, poking the contact area between the foot and the body. Trim the bear to the suitable length. Turn the bear up and pop the mesh gauze to reinforce it. Then the bear won't fall off. Finally, decorate the elk antler on the hat. Burn the hat melt. Use the antler to collect the melting and stick on the hat. Take out the hem probe. Then, take the thread through the hat with a needle and tie a knot. This tutorial is complete. Wish you a Merry Christmas!